man them off church and off dance. Me off the city girl them off wine and go down. Me no want no boy, no touch it on the gas step. How can a boy not touch it on girl? Me off the city back man, I hold up on no girl. Hey. Yeah, you don't know Bucherman, the president himself. Respect the president and the honor. You understand? Tulina abantu abatandise dance mu Uganda. I respect Cindy. Cindy, ngenda kwogera obugambo nga butono just aliko few words me attack. Aliko this, you understand? Cindy, baba mu Blue 3. Yajja mu Getto Kamwocha. People, hey. Baba. Yajja mu Getto Kamwocha. Bani ne chali wange bobi bani tuli mu gali amwe mu Getto. Tuba tuyawanga Cindy atusazeeko. Tukuba freestyle kubanga buli kumacha tukena mu Getto mutekako omuzindalo. Ne mukuba mu freestyle zalaga. Cindy wajja n'akwata microphone n'akuba. Ne mugamba naye no. Mpulira ng'osobola okukuba dancehall music. We have to change and divert the team. Nagamba serious team. Nemugamba serious team. We have to go to the studio. Netugenda mu Dream Studio. Netukola Cindy Junior yasooka bagiyita #1. We are the #1 ne Mickey Wine. Tutugirecordinga nga ne Bobby Wine. Netugita bwe twajja tugiteekayo mu bantu. Abantu ne bawelekaminga Cindy mu dancehall world. Abantu balina abagoberezi ba Cindy ba fans be. Akuze nabo. Okiwulira ate kati mu abankumi 2 muba mumanyi nti kati Cindy essawa yairo she's a dancehall artist. Naye alina jane gyavudde okutuuka olunaku ero wayambadde crown ye eya king of the what? So listen what I say. In dancehall music, tulina abayita ba mama dancehall. Nitubali ba dancehall queens. Nitubali ba dancehall king. Ba dancehall assassin. The dancehall senator. Tulina banji. Shabalanksi is a champion lover. Billy man, I gas them sugar. What about Cindy? What about Cindy? Hey. Yeah. So, Banai, do you know what credit to Zikolachi? Wezigenda. What's the we have to credit the bomb and credit have to go on. So, you understand? So, I respect Cindy. And Cindy, Tafari could dance on music. Yateka Tafari Deneku, foundation of the music of Uganda. So respect my sister. Respect like your yourself, you don't know. Never give up. Maama Getto Gyebavudde. Baba. Now you say Maama Getto. We have to balance the thing.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
True.
Maama Getto, come say something. Wow. A queen with the what? A queen with the king.
Yeah, man.
Cindy ayina king. Era tumumanyi. Ate abakyala ennaku zino you have to be like king you don't know say my youth me. I tell you no my youth.
True.
Tell them something.
Yeah, man.
Cindy, I've been a huge fan for so many years. Thanks to my hubby, I get to say congratulations to you. You really deserve it. You are a big inspiration. You have raised some of us. The good vibes, taking us through some tough times. And Basili came. King herself,
Baba.
It's a great pleasure to be here. Let's have fun.
Baba.
Thank you, Maama Getto Amwebaziza. Some of you have a journey with Cindy. Some of others began way back with her. Then what abatandise ng'atuuse w'atuuse si kibi naye katono nnyo. Most of you here mwebuuza Kayima ajja atya ne attachment eyo eri Cindy. The first time bwe nalaba Cindy biseera ebyo nga bwakayingira Coca-Cola Pop Stars ojjukira bulungi nnyo. Ebiseera ebyo such a young boy okakasa. Okay, that was just a by the way, don't take it serious. Then from there bwe mmala okujoininga media nentandikira ku Bilal FM 94.1 I think. Twali tetukuba music, twali mu mataali. But when I joined Suri FM, ono lumu yampeesaako suspension for 2 weeks. Lwakuba nnyimba ze every time nga bwe nnyingira mu show because nali nga neselectingira ennyimba ze nsobola okuba. You remember that very well. That's how we bonded okuva wonna at 104.9. Thank you, Cindy, for that big heart. Oli muntu ayagala abantu abakwagala. Bulijjo omutima ogwa bato guno, omutima gwa Cindy agulina oba abuukidde bubuukizi. But just njagadde okakiriyalinga nakubukategere. Thank you. Let's see right about now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Right about now, musikirize, we invite Casey Berry. Ajena yatuwe dakiika 2. Casey Berry, you have 2 minutes as well. As Judith Hart gets ready, then tugende ewa Cindy. But